In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change link on Shopify. If you're looking to update the web address customers use to reach your store, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click in a clear and simple way. First, open the Shopify website and head into your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center. Once you're in, look toward the lower left corner of the dashboard for the gear icon. This is the settings area. Click Settings to open the place where you manage your store's core configuration. Inside Settings, find and click Domains. This is where Shopify keeps everything related to your store's web addresses. On this page, you'll see your current domain displayed. Typically, you'll notice a primary domain, the link your customers see, and you may also see your default Shopify domain ending in myshopify.com, along with any other domains you've connected. Take a moment to confirm which one is currently set as the primary, since that's the one customers are redirected to. Now, click on your domain to open its details. Here, choose the option to change the domain. Shopify will guide you through a short process to switch your store's primary link to your new domain. Make sure you already have that new domain ready to go. Follow the prompts on screen and keep an eye out for any confirmation messages that let you know the change has been applied. A quick tip while you're here. Once you make the change, it can take a little time for the update to show everywhere on the internet. That's normal. You might see Shopify setting up or renewing the security certificate too, which helps keep your site secure. During this period, some visitors may still see the old link redirecting to the new one. That's expected behavior and should settle as the change finishes propagating. Before you wrap up, give the new link a quick test by visiting it in a fresh browser tab or an incognito window. This is a simple way to confirm that your storefront loads correctly and that the updated link looks the way you expect. If something appears off, revisit the domains page to review the settings you just adjusted and follow any on-screen guidance. That's it. By opening Shopify, going into Settings, selecting Domains, reviewing your current domain, and then choosing to change it to your new one, you've successfully updated your store's link. Thanks for watching. And take a moment to double-check your new address so customers can find you without a hitch.